What's up guys, it's Ebakes here, and today we're expanding into a new range of videos, Legos. So since The Last Jedi is fairly recent, the new Star Wars movie at least, I decided to make a mock from it. And what Lego hasn't made is a Canto Bight police speeder. Now I also created a Canto Bight police officer that I'll show you how to make later. But yeah, let's get into this. So at first when I made this, version 1, we could say, the wings and the front, like, light canopy piece were not exactly sturdy. They kept on falling off. Like, this canopy piece, one moment. This canopy piece is only attached, was only attached by one stud. So now, I attached it using a droid arm piece and 2 hinges. It's still attached by one stud, but now it has more attachment points. And with the wings, I'm just going to pop this one off. See, and let's just call it the windscreen. The windscreen and light keeps on like falling off, but I'm sure that if you make this, you can make some improvements. So at first, I only attached the wing with 2 studs, but they kept falling off, so I had 2 more studs. So no, they don't fall off as easily, and you can hold it when you're flying around right here. And then it's got the 2 guns in the front, and then these wings can actually move like around because they're on Technic pins, so you can even like move it, maybe. Come on. Maybe. Some technical difficulties here. Yeah, this windscreen piece isn't exactly the sturdiest, but I'm sure that if you make this, you can make it work. I just don't have exact abundance of pieces. You can even move it down like that, so it kind of even looks like a Vulture droid, or like a robot horse, or even like a Clavier. Which, I mean, like, it's good for kids, because they can imagine that, like, it's landing or something. But in the movie, there was no landing mode, so it would stay like this. And then in the back, you will have some storage for handcuffs, his like stun stick, I guess, and then also you can also store his gun here, but yeah, you can also store his gun here, but that's what was stopping the wings from rotating completely, because it gets caught on his cape. So yeah, it doesn't exactly land in the movie though. So you have just a nice little storage space on the back, and then carefully pull the windscreen down, and you can see that he has some levers that he can pull that are just 2 nozzle pieces. Then he also has a backrest. I really like how the backrest and the handles turned out. I mean, like, the backrest is only 1 piece, but I just feel like it does its job. So yeah, let's get on with the minifigure. He's kind of hard to get out. You might have to pick it up with 2 hands, like I'm going to do now, because you have to get the handles out of his hands. see if we put him in a standing position. So here he is. He's using the ATM6 pilot's torso. And then the old Han Solo's legs, I believe. And then just an ATST driver's helmet. And then Lord Gomerdon's helmet, I believe that is, which actually works really well. I got this from Brick Bros, I got the idea from Brick Bros UK, but I didn't have the torso, so I used the ATM6 pilot torso, which also works well. Here's a view on the back. Yeah, and then I believe that I used Darth Vader's cape. And then for that silver gun that you saw earlier, I believe that you can get that either on Captain Phasma from the First Order Troop Transport or Finn from the Resistance Transport Pod. And then the ATST driver has an alternate face. That's just the normal face, but I use the goggles because he's in the speeder. So yeah, look out for more LEGO videos from me. I'm going to be posting every Saturday and or Sunday, Fortnite, LEGO, and then in the future I'm going to try to be making some Brawlhalla and Battlefront 2 videos. So yeah, stay tuned to see those. This is Ebakes signing out.